Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to add food and beverage products IndiaMart inquiries or leads to Zoho CRM. So here I'm running a food and beverage product business and I have listed my product on IndiaMart. Now through IndiaMart, I'm receiving a lot of leads or inquiries. Now what I want to do is that as I'm going to receive a new inquiry or new lead through IndiaMart for my business, then automatically I want to create a new lead in Zoho CRM, which is my CRM application. So here for my objective, what I need to do is I need to build a connection between IndiaMart and Zoho CRM. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new inquiry or a new lead for my business, then automatically I'm going to use all the detail of that lead or that inquiry and I'm going to create a new lead in Zoho CRM. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can add food and beverage products IndiaMart inquiries or leads to Zoho CRM. So imagine here I manage a food and beverage business and we regularly receive customer inquiries or leads through IndiaMart. So to streamline our lead management process, I'm going to set up an automation that will automatically add all my new IndiaMart leads or inquiries to Zoho CRM. So this will make it easier for me to track my lead details and product requests, and by automating this process we will save time on manual data entry, reduce errors and ensure that every potential customer inquiry is addressed promptly, and this will lead to improved customer service and sales efficiency. So here simply what I need to do is I need to build a connection between IndiaMart and Zoho CRM in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry through IndiaMart for my food and beverage business, then automatically a new lead will be created or the record of that lead or inquiry will be added on my Zoho CRM application. So here I'm going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills, and I'm going to just connect IndiaMart and Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect. So here for building this connection, I need to use Pabbly Connect, and for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add food and beverage products IndiaMart inquiries or leads to Zoho CRM. And now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and here I have this particular folder of IndiaMart, so I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window for our workflow, and here in this window I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So we need to first set up our trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to first search for my trigger application. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to use IndiaMart, so I'm going to search for that, and I need to select IndiaMart here. Now I'm going to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and for every new inquiry or the new lead, I have to use this trigger event of new leads. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to connect IndiaMart with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between IndiaMart and Pabbly Connect. And for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. So first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now what I need to do is I need to take you to my IndiaMart account. And here in IndiaMart, what I need to do is I need to go to this lead manager option. And here in lead manager, what I need to do is I need to click on this menu button. And I need to go to import/export leads and here I need to use Push API. So I'm going to open that. Now here in Push API, what I need to do is I need to create an integration for connecting IndiaMart with Pabbly Connect. Now for that, what I need to do is I need to first select my source. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I want to connect Pabbly Connect, but that is not present here. So I'm going to select other here. And now I have to fill all these details. So first I have to give my CRM platform name, and here I want to connect Pabbly Connect with IndiaMart. So I'm going to type Pabbly Connect here. And now I have to give my webhook listener URL. So here in this tab, I'm going to give my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have added all the required details. Now I'm going to click on Save Details. And now I have to select the option why I want to create this integration. So I'm going to open this tab. So I can select any random reason here. And I'm going to select this. And now I have to click on Click to Generate OTP button. And after clicking that, I have to fill my OTP. And then I'm going to successfully connect IndiaMart with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here. And here we can see I have created this connection between IndiaMart and Pabbly Connect. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, what I need to do is I need to generate a new inquiry or a new lead. And as I'm going to generate that lead, then automatically I will receive that response here in Pabbly Connect. So for every new lead or for every new inquiry that I'm going to receive from IndiaMart for my food and beverage businesses, then automatically the response of that lead will be sent to Pabbly Connect. But right now I don't have any listed product on my IndiaMart account. So what I need to do is I need to generate a test inquiry so that I can get the response of that inquiry in Pabbly Connect and I can set up my workflow. I'm only generating the test inquiry because I want to set up this workflow and I want to show you how you can set up this automation. But if you have the listed products in your IndiaMart account and if you are receiving inquiries through IndiaMart, then automatically as you are going to receive the new inquiries, then you will receive that response of the inquiry here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to generate the test inquiry. For that, I'm going to take you to IndiaMart. And for generating the test inquiry, I need to click on this Test Your Webhook Listener URL button. And here I have added this URL, which is the webhook URL of Pabbly Connect. And now as I'm going to click on this test button, then automatically the test data that I have here will be sent automatically to Pabbly Connect. So here I'm sending this test data for empty mineral water product. So this is not a listed product, this is just a test product, and this data is going to work as a test data. Now I'm going to click on this test button. And here I have successfully sent the test data. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my inquiry that I've generated as a test inquiry in IndiaMart, and I have received that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now here I have the inquiry detail, like I have the response subject, that is requirement for empty mineral water bottle. So here this is the product. Now I have the sender state, that is Uttar Pradesh. I have the random pin code. Also I have the alternate phone number. I have the sender phone number. I have the sender name, that is Prabhat. I have the sender alternate mobile number, and I have the sender mobile number. Also I have some other details too. So here I have the sender email address, I have the alternate email address, I have the company name, that is ABC Private Limited, I have the country code, that is IN, which is for India. Also I have the sender city, that is Noida. I have the sender address, that is Sector 135, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. So this is the sender address. And also in this, I have these other details, like I have the product name, that is mineral water bottle. I have the query message, that is, I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle, kindly send me the price and other details. Here the quantity will be 10 lakh pieces, probable order value is going to be around 10 lakhs to 20 lakh, probable requirement type is business use. So this is the inquiry message, and here we can see I have received all these details as a test inquiry from IndiaMart. Now here we can see that as I have received all these details of my inquiry, now what I need to do is I need to automatically add all the detail of this inquiry or this lead in Zoho CRM. So for adding all my IndiaMart inquiry details or all the detail of my lead in Zoho CRM, I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I need to search for my action application, that is going to be Zoho CRM. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Zoho CRM here. Now I have to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and insert /update record will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now I have to click on connect with Zoho CRM. Now here for connecting Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect, I need to first select my domain. So for getting the domain, I need to take you to my Zoho CRM account. And here in Zoho CRM path URL, we can see I have my domain that is zoho.in. So I'm going to use this domain, and for this, let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And now I have to give my domain. So I'm going to type zoho.in as my domain. Now as I have added my domain, I'm going to click on save. And now I have to scroll down and I need to click on accept to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to fill all these details. So here I need to first select my module name. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I want to create a new lead. So I'm going to select leads as my module name. So I'm going to select that. And now we can see all the details have changed according to my module. And now what I need to do is I need to fill all these details with my inquiry detail or with my lead detail to create a new record in Zoho CRM. So here by filling out all these details, I'm going to create a new lead in Zoho CRM. And for creating that lead, I'm going to use all the response of my IndiaMart inquiry or my IndiaMart lead that I've received in my trigger response. So I'm going to use that response from my previous tab, and I'm going to map all those details here in these tabs. So here first I'm going to give the company name of my lead. So I'm going to click here, and here I'm going to open this response of IndiaMart, and in this I'm going to search for the company name. So I'm going to search for that, and here this is my lead company, that is ABC Private Limited. So I'm going to map that. Similarly, I have to give the first name and the last name of my lead, but I'm only receiving the first name of my lead or the inquiry from IndiaMart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that as my first name and the last name too. But when you will receive your real lead from IndiaMart, then you will receive both first name and the last name, so it will work the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the first name here. So this is my sender name, so I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the last name. Now I have to scroll down. Now what I need to do is I need to give the email address of my lead. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of IndiaMart, and here this is my sender email. So I'm going to map this, and now I'm going to give the phone number, and also I'm going to map the mobile number. Now I have to scroll down. Now what I need to do is I need to give my lead status. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I'm going to select not contacted as my lead status. So I'm going to select this, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. So first I'm going to give the city of my lead. I'm also going to give the state. Now I have added the city and the state. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the description. So here in the description, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map my inquiry message so that I will have a record of my inquiry. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of IndiaMart, and here I'm going to search for my inquiry message. And here this is my inquiry message. So I'm going to map this. And now I have filled all the required details. Now as I have mapped all these details, I have made all these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry from IndiaMart for my food and beverage business, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new lead detail or the new inquiry detail, and every time I'm going to create a new lead in Zoho CRM. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button, and here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new lead in my Zoho CRM account. So to check whether I've created a new lead in Zoho CRM with all the detail of my IndiaMart inquiry or not, let me take you to Zoho CRM. I'm going to go to leads, and here in leads we can see I have created this new lead that has the lead name as Prabhat, which was my sender name. I have my company name, that is ABC Private Limited. I have the email address. I have the random phone number. And here we can see that I have successfully created this new lead in Zoho CRM with all the detail of my IndiaMart inquiry. So I'm going to open this lead, and here this is my lead that has the name Prabhat. I have this email address, I have the phone number, I have the random mobile number of my lead. I'm going to scroll down, and here I have my company name, that is ABC Private Limited. I'm going to again scroll down, and I have my address that has the city of Noida. I have the state, that is Uttar Pradesh, and I have the description, and in the description I have my inquiry message. So here we can see that I have successfully used all the detail of my IndiaMart inquiry, and I have automatically created a new record, or I have created a new lead in Zoho CRM with all the detail of that IndiaMart inquiry. So here I have successfully created this automation between IndiaMart and Zoho CRM, and now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry through IndiaMart, then automatically I will create a new lead in Zoho CRM. So here I have successfully created this integration or this automation between IndiaMart and Zoho CRM. And now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have connected IndiaMart and Zoho CRM for automatically adding food and beverage product IndiaMart inquiries or leads to Zoho CRM. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was IndiaMart and my trigger event was new leads. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Zoho CRM and my action event was insert/update record. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.